Hello, and welcome to the 4th devlog for our latest project. In this video, I'll be going over some of the new features I've been working on. Let's start with one of the biggest visual updates, the new graphics for power-ups. I installed the shader graph package, which lets us easily create procedural and interesting effects for each power-up. Here's the new look for the rainbow power-up. And here's the updated time freeze power-up. If you are interested in how I set up the graphs, here they are. Of course, adding fancier visuals can affect how well the game runs on different machines. To help with that, I added a graphics mode feature. There's now a new settings page in the main menu where you can toggle between low and high graphics. High graphics mode enables all the fancy shaders, post-processing, and other visual effects. Low graphics mode turns all of those off, replacing them with simple static sprites that are easier to render. In the future, we might add an automatic detection system that chooses the best graphics mode for your device, but for now, it defaults to high. To make this work, I created a graphics mode script that other scripts can reference to check the current mode. I also built a second script that automatically swaps power-up sprites based on that setting, and another one that enables or disables post-processing depending on the mode. This setup makes it really easy to expand in the future. We can add more scripts later to adjust other visuals depending on the graphics mode. Next up, we've got a brand new power-up, the multi-point power-up. You can collect it at any time and it adds 5 seconds to your timer. As we mentioned in a previous devlog, creating new power-ups is simple. All I had to do was make a new script that inherits from the generic collectible script and then add new functionality. To make collecting this power-up feel more satisfying, instead of adding all 5 seconds at once, the game adds 1 second at a time every half second. That means multiple sounds and pop-ups, which feels more fun and rewarding. Here's what it sounds like when I add all 5 seconds at once. And here's what it sounds like when it happens over time. After finishing the functionality, I worked on the visual design. Since there wasn't an obvious theme like rainbow or ice, I just experimented in a shader graph until I came up with something cool looking, and this is what I came up with. Finally, here's a bit of gameplay showing off the new graphics and power-ups in action. That's all for this devlog. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the next video where I'll show you some changes to the game's UI.